Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm really excited to show you how to make a popular Pakistani dish called karahi chicken. Traditionally, this is made in a deep wok, but today I'm going to make it in a pot and I'm going to show you how to make that. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 4 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 chicken breasts cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 white onions, 4 medium tomatoes, and fresh cilantro for garnish. Let's start by dicing the onions. I'm using a mandolin today, but if you don't have one, a knife works just as well. Now we'll start by adding the oil to the pot on medium heat. Once the oil has heated, let's add our whole spices and cook for about a minute. I like a little heat in my curry, so I'll also add a green chili. Add the diced onions next and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are golden brown. Next we'll add the chicken and ginger garlic paste and stir until well combined. Let the chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the whole tomatoes, placing them between the chicken. As you can see, I've scored the tomatoes, which will help when we try to remove the skin later on. Add the salt and mix gently. Cover and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is well cooked. When the chicken is ready, open the lid and remove as much of the tomato skin as you can and break up the softened tomatoes. This will give a nice sauce to your curry. Now let it simmer for another 5 to 6 minutes and your karahi chicken is ready to serve. Transfer it to a bowl, add your garnish and enjoy. And there you have it, our delicious karahi chicken. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.